It's been such a privilege getting to know Sean. He's welcomed our family traditions, embraced our quirks, and become part of our antics. He's seamlessly taken on the role of fun-loving youth. You should have seen his face when I placed a one-day-old Samuel in his arms. Love mixed with absolute utter care. Alex and I are super excited about having a new brother. Thank you for everything to you, Sean. To say that Melissa and I are close is the ultimate understatement. We shared every childhood moment, life challenge, milestone, meltdown, bad day, good day, success, picnic on the living room floor, Sunday afternoon ice cream, and travel galore.
Our president, the Weather Province of Ontario, now pronounced you husband and wife. And you may now seal your vows with the